Okay, so in this question what we're looking to do is solve these two equations and find the one point which not only satisfies the first one but also satisfies the second one. Now if we were graphing them, this is where the two graphs would cross each other, where they would intersect. And that would be the one point that was the same for both graphs. But we're going to solve this one with elimination. So like substitution, the first step is to label what you've got. We'll call this one 1, we'll call this one 2. Now the whole purpose of elimination is to add them together, add the two equations together, or subtract the two equations and end up with only one variable. So the thing to look for is something which is the same. Now we've got 3x here and 2x here. They're not the same. We've got a minus y and a plus 3y. They're not the same. But they're close in that we've got a minus and a plus already. So if we add them together, all we need is this one to be a minus 3y. If this y becomes a minus 3y and we add these two equations together, the y's will cancel. They'll be eliminated. Minus 3y plus 3y. There'll be no y's left. So to communicate this, what we want to do is we want to turn this y into 3y. So we have to multiply this whole thing. Okay, so we're going to tell the person that that's what we're doing. We're going to multiply equation 1 by 3. So we have 3, and then we've got our x take y equals 7, oops, that's a 3x take y equals 7. We're going to multiply that. So we end up with 9x, the minus 3y, and the 21. This is equation 3. Now we've got minus 3y, we've got the plus 3y and 2, and they're going to eliminate. So just to make this easier, what we can do is we can rewrite the second one down here. Equals 1. Now relabel it, it's number 2. And now tell the person what we're going to do. What we're going to do is we're going to add these two equations together. So we're going to do 3 plus 2. Put the circles around to indicate I'm going to add the equations 3 and 2 together. So it's like putting a plus there. It's like doing that and then adding them. So we add like terms. So 9x plus 2x. So I'm going to write it all out so you can see it. 9x plus 2x minus 3y plus 3y, and it's going to equal 21 plus 1. Right, now they cancel. Minus 3y plus 3y is no y's left. 9x, 2x, that's 11x, and it's equal to 22. X is equal to 2. So we know what our answer is. Now, using one of these equations, it doesn't matter which one, we're going to sub that answer in. So tell the person that's what you're going to do. We're going to sub x equals 2 into equation 1. So we've got 3 times 2 plus y, or minus y, should I say, minus y is equal to 7. So 6 minus what is equal to 7? So y is equal to minus 1. So this is our solution. Our solution is 2 minus 1. Now you've got to do a check. You may as well do a check and know that you got it right. So let's check using equation 2. We've got 2 times x, so 2 times 2. And we're going to add on to that 3 times negative 1. Because that was our y, and we want this to be equal to 1, so we've got 2 times 2 is 4, minus 3 is 1. We know that this is actually the solution to these two. If we were to graph it, this is where the two lines would cross over each other, or where they would intersect. And that's how you solve by elimination.